Polusyon sa Metro Manila. Laking bahagi nito galing sa tambucho.
Smoke belching can be caused by quite a number of things, with most common one being poor vehicle maintenance. The engine, air filter, head gasket, turbocharger, and fuel injection aren't in good condition. It creates issues. 4 ways to avoid smoke belching. Regular vehicle maintenance. High quality and clean oil. Proper driving habits. Smoke emission tests.
Sa pamamagitan ng isang smoke testing device, nakikita ang kalidad ng usok na.
We're advising them to tell their operators na paggawa nila yung sakyan nila.
Payag naman dito ang ilang mga driver.
Lang ganito para sa ganun, magawa yung mga ibang sakyan na magusok din.
Aprobado rin maging sa mga pasaherong.
Lang po para sa ano naman po kagandahan ng ating paligiran, di ba?
Pero actually okay ito kasi at least ma-aware tayo na syempre, di ba, pangit na kasi yung hangin na lumalabas sa atin.
This is more of an advocacy campaign. As much as possible, we don't want to apprehend. Kaya lang, kung may talagang violator, we don't have other option but to implement the law.
Let's get aware and start to care.